My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2018 Bmw X1. This vehicle has done just under 61,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as a keyless ignition. On the right, we have voice control, automatic wipers, and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access our notifications, my vehicle, connected drive, navigation, communication, and media and radio. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our dual zone climate control, as well as heated seats on either side. We also have a variation of different driving modes to choose from, including Sport, Comfort, and Eco Pro. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of the seats have a black leather trim. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.